Hi.
These are Kaya's 2.5-week-old puppies. This is Felicity.
And she's a tricolor?
Yeah. This is Pachilio.
Oh, isn't he cute?
This is Lafitte. You're tiny. And this is Flora.
Hi, Flora. How do they like getting outside?
They enjoy it.
They enjoy it, but only starting today, because what have we had before today?
Coldness and snow.
Ugh, we're so ready for spring.
Yeah.
Yeah. They like to snuggle up with you, don't they? Who is that? That one is hiding behind you.
Oh, Pachilio.
Hey guys, here, move your arm so we can see their faces. Oh.